Hannah cut my hair. Is my new hairdresser.
So where are you going for holidays?
Hi, I'm Hannah and this is Juana.
Hola, we met in New Zealand 1 year ago. Since then, we are sailing and cycling together. Come and join us.
This is the map of the Annapurna Conservation Area, and we are here in Pokhara, and we're planning to cycle along this road, which will take us through Kuzma, Baglung to Beni, and then from Beni the road will change into more of a track, and we're going to follow the Annapurna circuit north all the way up here to Jomson and then to Muktinath, and then we'll cycle back. I think they're going to take our temperature.
Wow. What is that, Hannah?
It's an information sheet that's telling you about symptoms of coronavirus. So if you have a temperature, or if you cannot breathe, or if you, I don't know.
And they gave a mask.
Yeah, that's good.
Juana. J U A N A.
It's
H
97.1
minute.
is
Age.
Age 44.
44.
Hola.
So last night Nepal government declared lockdown here as well, and we are about 60 kilometres outside of Pokhara, which took us 2 days to cycle here. We're in a guest house, but and we thought maybe this could be quite a nice place to stay because beautiful view, countryside. But anyway, they've told us this morning that they're going to close. So we're going to cycle now 3 kilometres back to the town and see if we can find a jeep or something to get us back to Pokhara.
We will tell to the police as well. Maybe they can take us to Pokhara.
Yeah.
Another way we have to cycle back but there are many hills.
There are many hills, and also they've declared that anyone found in the streets will be sent to jail, which I don't think will happen.
Yeah.
But
So it's better just to go back to Pokhara, go to the guest house, and just stay there. Yeah.
So let's see what happens.
Yeah. Okay. Still going up the hill. We made already 20 kilometers. And we're still having 40 more, of course. We have a banana, we have a soup. We are full already. We got energy. And we keep going. Luckily, we find this open because everything is closed. And she gave us some noodles and things. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay. So one more time we have to move from the guest house.
Yes. So apparently we've woken up this morning, and apparently the police. Well, we're not really sure what's happening because there's the English.
He
doesn't explain very well. So.
It's not very good.
So we're not sure. But anyway, we're going to go to Pokhara and go back to the hotel that we were in before. And fingers crossed we can stay there. We've messaged them and they are there. So yeah,
It'll be okay.
So we've made it back to the guest house, and we're welcome to stay here. They're providing free food and looking after us very well. So our instructions from the British Embassy are very vague. We haven't really heard anything, but there's some WhatsApp groups and lots of very mixed information. So we're kind of planning just to stay put until we hear something a bit more concrete. And we've got a great view of the Annapurna range, very nice. And this is the garden of the hotel, this is where we're staying. This is our little balcony area and our room behind. So all in all, we are very safe and well here, and very lucky, I would say. We don't really know what to do. We don't know whether it's best to wait here for the duration of the lockdown and the travel restrictions, or whether it's better to return to the UK. We don't know how things are going to pan out. There's lots of different points of view, but at the moment we're here, so
we wait to see. We are just registering our embassy, so see what happens. Some German and French, they are leaving the European Union or this country. They arrange plane the repatriation. They say repatriation to Europe. For us, let's see.
yeah,
we have to wait.
should be okay.
Yeah.
And we've got good company here. We're not alone. There's John from Ireland, Natalie from France, Lewis from the Netherlands, and the family who run the hotel, who are absolutely lovely.
Came to Nepal on the 1st of March to look at some very good coffee beans. Stayed in Kathmandu for a bit. Came to Pokhara. Went to the border point in Beranganj and just missed the shutdown by the Indian government by 1 day. So I returned to Pokhara. I took out a visa for 90 days, and looking at the state of Europe and looking at Pokhara, I think I'm in the better of both places.
Yeah, I think so.
I'll hang out for a bit longer.
Hello, Natalie.
Hello, my name is Natalie. I am French, so I've been here in Pokhara for 1 week now, and from Nepal 1 month. Before I was in Thailand and in Malaysia.
Yeah, and you are a teacher. You are a teacher, no?
Yes,
A French
I am a
teacher.
French teacher.
So you waiting, no, for go back to work here in Kathmandu.
Yes, but
Let's see.
wait and see.
Hello, Christine. Can you say hello? Hello. Namaste. She's been a little bit sick with the stomach, but now she's okay, yeah? And she's the grandmother. She's Christine's mother. I cannot see.
Namaste, namaste.
Namaste. And he, you say namaste?
Namaste, namaste.
Here is the rest of the family. Hello, say hello to the camera. Namaste.
So we're here for the foreseeable at the moment. We hope everyone at home is okay and safe and well. And we don't know what's going to happen, so let's see.
Let's see.
So if you liked this video,
Give a like.
give us a like, and please subscribe to our channel to be notified of the next installment. We don't know what's going to happen. We'll probably just be here. We might not have anything much to film.
For the moment, lockdown.
Yeah, Nepal's in lockdown for at least another week, and it probably is going to be another 3 weeks, and then who knows? So we don't know. So let's see what happens. So thank you for watching.
Yeah, and see you. Nos vemos pronto.
Yeah.
Yeah, see you. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.